Right. For those of you who are just joining us, it's a buy. I actually looked at the analysis. I was very quick in looking at the analysis today, so I just decided to say that, okay, I'm just gonna buy today. So after analyzing the market, we are making serious money. So you can see here, this is the first time that if you please buy, whoever is please buy, you're flipping to 1,000. Please buy. If you ordered the trade, please buy. I would tell you 100%, please buy. Eh? It has been the best time to buy, and this is what I've seen. You could drop a little bit, but I would tell you if you're going to be a swing trader, you cross your first $1,000, you would actually close all your trade. Yeah, but I've looked at the market, it's coming up, comes up pretty well, and yeah, and it's really, really good for me. I could close all this trade and take all this profit. Ay, 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 ay. What a crazy, crazy buy. Yeah. So it's a confirmation. I can't leave these things to run, 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 run. But I can tell you clearly, we closed off with very good profits here. That's why I'm telling you, you can actually flip your account. Okay. I am super happy today that I crossed the $1,000 using the swing trade. So we entered the market when it was here and we hit our 1,000. This is crazy. For those of you who have just joined our live stream, I've never had a very profitable time. Of course, um that's going to be, oh, we could put it here. There's that break point, the resistance here. Yeah. So when you look at this market very well, actually I made about one, two, three, one, two. I made about five buys. So, and I didn't even waste any opportunity. So, but I close off around here. So if I'm going to buy, I can only buy when the market is again going up. And that's what swing trading means. So today has been very profitable. Just imagine, in 3 minutes, I made over $400. Now you see, it's beginning to go up, but I can buy at that point and then respect. But I was telling you, like, there's a lot of resistance. So it came down once, and I'm sure that it might come down for the second time, then it will take up the upward direction. But I'm not buying yet, because if I'm to buy now, I'll lose my money. But it was a good time to do the buy, and I was spot on. I made my first $1,000. So buy again. Oh, I buy again. First wait. That was cool. Huh? Boom. Boom. It was great. I made that money. And I'm sure if you're going to make that money today, boom, trust me. Let's do this live trade. Actually, I'm going to do this trade with you until you make your day. Boom, do you have um type in the chat? Um, we will do by. I'm using a lot size of that. So let's wait. Okay, I buy again. So uh Hold on. I don't have any open position right now, but I'm going to open the market. But you see, I've put my support below here. I'm thinking for it to start going up, the market, it came down twice. This is our support, this is our resistance. I wanted to see if it will go above the resistance. And when the candlestick is above, then I buy. But Boom is saying, buy again. Boom, I trust you because I've looked at the market from when it opened from here. This is when the market opened yesterday. It has been up, now it has been going. Now it was a bearish here. This is definitely a bullish move. Here it's going to be bullish. But I wanted to confirm whether it will cross that. So let me wait for the cow. I'll wait to buy. I'll wait to buy, but I'm buying. I'm going to buy. I'm only waiting for that confirmation. If it cross there, I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. I made that much money. And by the way, I'm making the money on my life account, my real account. Actually, whatever I do here on my demo account, I'm always trading on my phone using my life account. Yeah, on my life account, I am also doing the buy. And on my life account, I'm making so much money. Okay. Mhm. So you see, that was dangerous. So and please, I can only buy when it's going above. I'm not going to buy anything when it has not crossed uh this resistance zone. Anything that is not above the resistance zone, I am not buying. Yes. Because I bought when I was here and I came here. I was a little bit calculative. And I can only buy because once it comes here and I wait for it at this point when it broke through. That's when I will put my take profit. I'll put my take profit here. So I don't see any fair value gap here. So but if it comes down here and starts going up, I get this confirmation, I'll buy. I'm fast waiting. Scalping is my strategy. I don't do swing trading a lot unless maybe I'll push the account to like 10K. That's when I do swing trading. But I don't do scalping. But yeah, if you hang around here, we're going to do a buy. I'll give you a best signal, man. And for those of you, Boom and the rest, I started this account from last week at $100. Now it is in $1,000, and it is the same amount of money I put on my real account, and I'm trading it here on my phone. So I always use the demo for my analysis. That's why I tell you, if you want to be a very good professional Forex trader, make sure you trade using the screen. Trade using the screen. The bigger monitor is the best for trading. Trade using the bigger monitor. So I'm watching every move here on my phone. Me, I want to make my quick profit. And I'm telling you, if this is on a good day with me, it doesn't change, I'm done. I'm done with today's trade. I'm not taking trade here, but I have made such quick money in about 3. Okay, let's study that, whether it will be a buy. I can, at that above, I will buy. I'm not going to say, let me set my profit. No, I'll just keep my eyes on and take the buy. Because if I'm to buy at any point there, I need to hold on the trade. and I need to hold on the trade and take my profit at around 50 to 60. That's when I will take my profit. I'll take my profit at 50 to 60. But for now, I am holding on my trade. Yeah, boom, you're going to grow that actually you grow that 17. Just be patient a bit. You can grow that 17. You've been here. We started this account from 100 and I had 100 on my real account. Now I have $1,000 plus. I don't know how to show it to you directly on my phone, but I could show you on my real phone. I want to buy a second phone to show people and connect here so that you're able to see on my real account. I'm growing it. I'm figuring it how to do it, but yeah. Yeah, I could take a buy here, but it was important for me to wait for the signal. But I can take a buy here. Like I don't know how many lots I can use. Those are 3, 5. There we are. Still in losses, but I'm going to hold on to the trade. I've talked about the rule of panicking. You don't have to panic. And I took the trade with about 1. So I'm not going to add on that. I'll just wait a bit. I see. So boom, you have 17, but you have to use a smaller lot size. Okay? You have 17. Just use a lot size of 0.1 and take on only one trade. Aim at making at least $10. That should be it. $10, $15, that should be it. Because for me, I'll just hold on this trade because I am sure I'm going to cross up here. So I don't need to panic. I just need to be patient with this trade. And if I make that money, I'm now coming. So you see, now it's coming in my favor. 17. If I want to do swing right now, but I know it cross. And I'm making the $2,000 with you here. I'll close when I've made that $2,000. It's meeting a little bit of resistance, but that's okay. That's why me as a swing trader, I always prefer not to hold on to the trade. I prefer. But now I have no option because I don't want to take any losses. Yeah. Guys, I've made money and I've made it in your presence. I've made it to add like 1,000 something. Me, I've made in swing trade. So you could see. Yeah. And the same time I click on my phone, that is it. So now I'm not going to take on any trade. Reason why I closed earlier is because I have put uh this resistance here. Because I have not yet, I need to see the whole body closing above this resistance. That's when I would know that it's going up. But if it just goes below and comes down, oh boy, you do my swing. I'm done until the whole body crosses there. That's when I will buy. I can only buy again from here. It might come down and go up. Yeah. And it's going up. Now I'm only waiting to buy again on my gonna grow. I did it. Boom. Yeah. I did it. We are trading live. Live trade now. If the whole body, because I have to wait for the whole body to close above the resistance, that's when I'm going to be what? Comfortable that it's still going to continue in a bullish direction. But it's going to be a bullish trade. I have looked at it from here. This was a very strong bearish with a higher low, with a low, 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 high, lower, low, low, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. Now I'm only waiting for this candlestick to close above my resistance. That is when I will take the next trade. But if it is about today, now I'm only waiting for that part to close above. I'm only waiting for that part to close above. I will be patient and wait for that part to close above it. It's a buy, guys. It's a buy. But wait. It might reach this point here and comes down. So it's going to go above, which is okay. But that confirmation can only happen if it has gone above it. So let's wait and see. It's gonna be a good trade today. Yeah. Just be a little bit patient and see. Closes above. That is cool. I'm happy, man. Trading is good. And you have to be in front of your machine waiting for that perfect analysis. Wait. So let's look at our chart. Guys, this is so cool. At least we have made our money today. Huh? And I'm going to grow this account from 100 USD to 10,000 USD by 20th of this month. I'm going to be in 10K. I'm going to be in 10K. So you see that very line that I've drawn the resistance. Now it is going to go in a reversal. Then it will go there. Then it will go up. But I can only buy when the candle closes above this. That is when I will take a buy. Now look at that. Look at how it's falling. If you blow your account, that won't be nice. So I'm going to wait on the trade, but I just made all this. I made all of them today, March. Look at the time. Some of you may think I'm lying. Look at the time. I made all this today. So I wait for it to drop. Yeah. But I'm only buying above, and I will hold on to the trade until the candlestick reaches here. Then I close it with scalping. Scalping, I mean. Yeah, yes. Guys, drop a like, drop a like, drop a like. Drop a like. Drop a like and DDD2. Our account is now sitting at 1273. That's good. $1,000. From 100 to $1,000. Boom, boom, boom. That's so good, man. I'm waiting. I have to make more money. I have to make more money up to this resistance zone. I want to make more money from here. Those could be like 30 pips. Yeah, I have to make more money. And from the look of the things, it will follow that direction. Reason why it will go up, it's that, or if it starts having that long resistance, so we will see it. Okay, let's trade live. Let's trade live. I'll be checking on the chart. I'll be checking it on. Let me do some bit of cooking, prepare for myself a small, simple food as I wait for market to first come down, then go up. Wait, but here we do analysis in real market. Real market. Okay, I will deposit. Not now. All right, so boom is saying that I must deposit in this account. I'm going to do boom. I promise you I'll deposit on this account. I'll deposit on this account and we are going to do live trade together. You've been here not once, twice. and you have given me your support, like my video, I'm going to deposit here. The last time Boom was here, you say that if can we give you money and I grow your account? Yes, $17. But I'm going to deposit $50. And we are going to grow that $50 for the next, I don't know. Should we do this next week? I need to have a video plan for it. Okay, because I already have sessions that I plan for this week. Boom, your request. Can we start from Monday to Friday next week? I put $50 and we flip it to $1,000 next week. When is next week? On 9th. 9th to 13th. 9th to 13th. I can do that. 9th to 13th, I can put $50. We flip it to 1,000. No demo account next week. No demo account. So Boom is saying that I put, okay, you say I deposit, but I'm going to put 50. I'm going to withdraw. After this trade, I'm going to withdraw and put it on my real account. So guys, we are about to cross the resistance zone. And once we cross the resistance zone, we can, okay, let's wait, but should close above before you enter the trade, should close above. There's no fair value gap there, so we can't do much there. Boom, next week we are trading on a live account. I'm going to run all those live streams for next week. I think by Friday, I'm going to put all those live streams for a real account. We blow the account together and you see, but I will use a very small lot size for 50. I'll use one or two. And I will be taking 1 or 2 trades only. If I use a lot size of 1, I will take, or I use 2, take 1 trade. So you see, it's not yet crossing above. And I even incline the resistance a bit so that I see whether it closes above it. I see a very strong wick above. So let me help analyze from here going forth for those of you who are watching our live stream. For those of you who have just joined, we have made all this much money. We have made profits only today. All this is what we made today. This wasn't for today, this was for last week. But in March, you can see, driven by results. So, boom, I'm going to grow that live account together with you of 50 USD. Starting on Monday. Starting Monday, I'll be trading only live a real account. I'll do real and then withdraw the cash in real. Yeah, I'll make withdrawals on real account. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Like the video. We're waiting for the candlestick to close above that resistance. So we are only looking at this resistance. When it close above, then we can do buys. But for now, wait to take on the trade. I have it on my mobile here. I'm monitoring the trade. So let's wait a bit. Wait to buy. We into, okay. Boom, boom, I promise you. I promise you. I promise, boom. Boom. Next week, only on live, on real account. On real account. We will put 50, we agree 50 USD. 50 USD to 1,000. 50 USD. Boom. I promise you, next week I'm doing real account. Real account. And also, please, I didn't tell you something. Guys, I launched my first academy. I have an academy here. Maybe for those who don't know, I have an academy that I teach people. This is my academy, Rico Forex Academy. It's rico.org. I teach master the art of gold trading. There are courses here. They are free. Smash the like. Boom, I'm counting on you. Look at my academy. Bro, this is legit, man. I don't do. This is my journey. This is my Forex journey. In 2024, I founded Rico Forex Academy. I have over 100 students who enroll in this course. We're doing gold. We launched our gold program in August last year. We have over 100 students in the elite mentorship. And then we have about 500 plus students. Okay. So the courses are there. This is me. Boom. This is me. If you come to, and of course, I have the gold trading strategy. Why I've chosen to only focus on gold, this is a very good thing for me. I do coaching one-on-one. I do weekly live sessions with you. Okay. I do weekly live sessions with you, one-on-one coaching, private community, all this. I have, you can enroll to the courses here. My contacts are here. You can come to my YouTube support here. There's Telegram. I've not yet activated Telegram. And boom, my WhatsApp is there. I don't know whether I'm leaking it, but there's so much. But you can send us an email. My WhatsApp is there. I don't fake this, man. I have a very I'm a professional trader. And by the way, I don't live luxurious life, no. I have my mentorship programs here. Accelerate your growth with expert mentorship. I can do all this psychology. You've gone through all this, but let's log into the system. So you come to support. I know I'm leaking so much information that I am not supposed to put out there, but it's okay. I'm a software developer, bro. I built this system. If you don't have an account, please send an email here. I will create for you an account. You log in and sign in. And once you sign in, you see you can invest in your trading. I'm still building this bit of the trading. This VIP 49 demo. What I'm doing on YouTube are mainly demo. Introduction, I do demo with pips, risk management, all those things. But when you come to dashboard here, I have a whole LMS, Rico learning management system, where you have a dashboard here, you enroll into the courses, you can view all your courses here, okay? Technical analysis, Forex fundamental, some of the courses are paid for, okay? And of course, I always tell people that these are all courses. Forex fundamental is free. We have technical analysis, which is $97. We have the Gold Strategy Pro. You enroll. I'm building this. I'm a software developer, so I build this system from scratch. Then you come to all courses here. Then if you've enrolled into the courses, you can come and click on continue. I'm still developing it. 100% I'm still developing it. Once you learn the course and you're done with it, I'll change this video. These videos are actually coming from the live streams. I'm still coding the back end. You mark as complete, lesson completed. It gives you 100% of all the courses that you've learned. You can try to enroll into another course. You have enrolled into successfully. You get a notifications. You have enrolled into the courses. So I've completed one course here, 5 lessons done. So all these are within my LMS system. For those of you who are following me, I have a whole system here, brother. You can have a profile here, check out on your profile and log out, but this is the support, okay? I have a whole system here to learn. So whenever you see me here, I come here basically to trade with you, have fun with you, but I'm just doing demo services. So guys, first way to buy, you can see a lot, we put our resistance here, so it has not yet crossed above it. So first way to buy, and I tell you to wait in real time. The chart you're seeing here is the same chart you're seeing that side. And I do take this with my students. And if you've been here on my platform, bro, I don't fake this, man. I'm an engineer, man. And yeah, it's gonna go up when the New York sessions opens at 11. Yes, yes, yes. The news, yeah. By the way, we're supposed to target that New York. If it is going to go up at New York time, then it would be the New York time. Actually, Boom, I think I like you for one thing. You've been doing Forex. You know Forex. Yeah. It's awesome, bro. I am trying to become professional trader too. Y- You have my support, bro. Boom, you have my support. Boom, you have my support. And you have the potential. I've seen you here. I've seen you. I've seen you from the start, and I know you can be a very good professional trader. So we say that one thing that the New York time is opening, the best time. Now let me give you tips. Boom. Let me give you tips. The New York time is going to open at 9. It's 7 right now. It's coming to 8. Once it's come to 8, you use time is comes to 8, 9. Then from 9 up to 9:30, do not trade yet. First look at the charts, analyze it before you do trade. Because the next trade that you are going to take that is going to be profitable, it's going to be from 9:30 to 10. It's going to go up. Trust me. I've done this in and out, and I know it very well that the best time, that's why you see I have made all my videos that you come here. I have put the other upcoming events for people to what? To get to know. But sometimes when I'm free, I come here and I show you. But from 9, and of course, that's why I always put this in my chat here. Like, I always put this here. Hmm? I give a lot of tips here. So you look at it here. Uh, Yesterday we didn't have a live stream because I, power went off. But today, this this upcoming trade, I'm just going to talk to people that please, there's already a live stream happening, but this is the main one, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. if you have not made your money from 9:30 to 12 p.m. here, to actually 9:30 to 11, then you would have to wait late, maybe when the market is closing, like late in the evening, for you to what? To make some money. But I'll do trading. All this I've made from today up to 6. These are demos. Next week, because of boom, I am putting $50 and we are trading. Or resistance, it's above. Oh, not yet. Not yet, bro. Boom. Yes, between 5. Yeah, this, that's true. 510. That is the resistance. Then this is the support. Yeah, that's the support. So this is the support. But I'm not very sure whether it will come here. But me, all I need is that once I cross here, I go above this, which might happen. We might have a lot of resistance and support here until once that candlestick closes above this, then we know it's going to be an uptrend, a bearish movement. Yeah, you can even see here, there was a lot of resistance here and support, resistance, support for some good minutes from here up to here using our past data. And to me, I do training and I extract my data. You see, Boom is saying it is not. Let's wait and see whether that will cross. If it cross, it's a buy. If it cross that, it's a buy. But it won't have that high spike. It won't have that strong bearish upward movement. Yeah. It won't have that strong bearish movement. So let's check and see. So, it has crossed. It has crossed, but will it close above it? No? So let's come back to our open. We don't have any open positions here. First, I need a confirmation. It is testing the resistance. Okay? We can all agree that it has crossed our resistance, but it is testing it. If it makes a V-shaped recovery, that means it's going to be a strong impulsive drop. There's likely going to be a very strong drop below first, then price starts going up. It is just testing the resistance. That's what I'm seeing right now. So I am seeing now, like in my all chart history here, is that it's just testing the resistance. It's not a clean breakout yet. It's not yet a clean breakout because the resistance is supposed to be about the clear resistance supposed to be this. I'm going to put for you this in the chart. So the clear resistance supposed to be this. Bruce, boom, follow that. The clear resistance is supposed to be about 12 that. It's going up. Yeah, it's going up. That's okay. It's testing the resistance. Should we buy now? If you are to buy now, then we have to hold on to the trade. Let's take about how many buys? 5 buys. 1, 2, 1, confirm. 2, confirm. But we delay 3, confirm. 4, confirm. I don't know how many buys. Okay, those are enough. Okay, so we'll we will do swing. So we have to hold on to this trade, okay? We have to hold on to this trade until it reaches 5. Our take profit should be 52.60, okay? Because we are losing so much. We are losing so much. You can see we are having a lot of losses, but we should hold on to this trade before we close, okay? So we're losing. Yeah, it's going up. Yeah. So let's wait. It will go up. But I told you, like, it was testing the resistance level. It's okay. It can come down a bit and then it will start going up eventually. So if we are buying into resistance, something is here. It has not yet broken and closed above the resistance. That's one thing that we should note. Me, have decided to buy, and I'm going to hold on to the trade. Okay. So you see, we are still making here losses, some bit of profit starting to come. It has not yet closed, but if it close above it, that would be cool. And of course, a small upside room is still happening of 550 to 557. So there are two better options: to wait for a confirmation to be safer, okay, using our 5 minutes time frame, or we wait for we set a stop loss. Now we have not set a stop loss. Look at all what you're going through. We set a stop loss, but I've told you I'm not setting any stop loss now. I'm not setting any stop loss. And now the danger is, now we are back. We're back to, but that was expected. We should have waited for a pullback. If price rejects the what? If price rejects the bullish confirmation, and then of course, then take the risk upwards. But at this rate, I am not going to. We are blowing the account. We are blowing the account. We are blowing the account. Oh, we are blowing the account. Wow. We have blown 1,000 account because of one silly mistake. We have blown the account. Hmm? That is a very big mistake. And we didn't protect our capital. All our hard work of raising that account from. So that's how people blow up account. We have, yeah, I think obviously I would have waited. It has closed above it, yes, but we made so much uh wow. We made so much buys and exposed our account to a very big risk. Okay, I guess let's start again. No, I'll edit it. I'll edit it. Guys, we have blown that account that we have grown today. So that that's why it's always good to protect the capital. I knew clearly that this wasn't the right zone to buy. But anyway, these are mistakes that we have learned. We have blown up account here and we have to top up. But it's okay. We have blown the account. Ah, you mad, bro. Shit. But not on my real account, brother. I didn't take that trade on my real account. I cannot. I made my predictions here. Huh? Yeah, yeah. And it is it's still going down. Ah, yeah, yeah. We have blown this account. This is not what I expected. Shit. After making so much money, like I'm lucky. I think I'm not taking any trade right now. Oh shit. I'm lucky. I'm going to withdraw my let me just withdraw what I have here. I leave only $100. I wanted to be a little bit safer playing. Yeah, yeah. Oof, oof, oof. And it's right. I can tell you my mistakes. I can tell you my mistakes. One, it, it was not clean. We have drawn our resistance here, and it closed above the resistance, but it was testing. Immediately, we should have waited for a strong pullback, like this strong pullback. Then we take on the trade. Now you wait. In the next trade that we are going to take, and we also use a very big lot size. You see the danger. That's why I'm always very keen when I'm playing this game. And it's still dropping, and it will drop. Actually, what I can do, oh, do I want to, I can do this. I'm still dropping that, man. We are not, let's wait for that to drop. Go down, let this pull down come here, then buy. But yeah, oh shit. Huh? That was, yeah, it's really, really, but next time I will never ignore my red flags. I will never ignore. We still have, how many live sessions do we have this week? We still have 3 more live sessions. Okay. Let me be on standby here. We're going to do swing. Okay. Yeah, that was a bad one. We wait for it to go down, then sell. Shit. We've blown this account. At least $100 plus. You can't close on a small amount of money. Okay. Let's first have that. Let's first have that. Then we're doing scalping. So let's first have that. But yeah, yeah, yeah. I've learned my mistakes. But I even mentioned it clear that it is testing the resistance. It's not a clean breakout yet, and I decided to take on trade. Yeah? So now it's going to, this is a strong pullback. Once this is a confirmation we needed. Once it comes down, it is going to go up. That was the zone I checked. So it was important that buying into resistance, we needed to set a stop loss because there's going to be a high risk of pullback. And that high risk is the one that made us blow our account. Huh? And I was lucky, as I was still demonstrating here, I didn't show this on my what? I didn't take this trade. But now in my next trade, that's why it's going to be a bearish for now. And since the New York market is opening, always let's respect that to our 1 hour. If it is always let's be here. If it is 8 a.m., no 8 a.m. coming to 9 p.m., let's avoid taking trade. 8 to 9, let's not take trade. Unless we are selling. We can sell when it's 8 to 9. Because from there, that's when the market will again go up. We have messed up properly. We have messed up properly. No? We've messed up properly. But anyway, we will take our buys. I'm going to take my buy on my real account. Ah. What made me buy? I don't know. It's just a big mistake. It's a mistake. It won't happen. It's a mistake. I was even still saying that it's just testing the resistance. Huh? And it's here, closer. Confirmations are important. I think we'll talk about this. We were supposed to wait for a breakout. We had the highest risk at that point. That's why these sessions that we do here live are very helpful, because they are going to help us, one, to avoid, and even when you're buying, we are not supposed to take, you can only take that many. The lot size is already big and you are taking many buys. You can only do that. Hmm? And then we didn't set a stop loss. Why? These are things I talk about in my channel, that always set a stop loss if you are not sure. So I'm protecting the account. That was okay. So let's wait. Did it reach? Let's first shift it here. It's an upward trend, but this is below this candle wick. So should we should we wait for it to come right? Okay, which zone was it respecting? Trying to create something different here. Ah, blowing accounts in seconds. I'll wait for a confirmation. I won't do that. I won't do that buy now. But we should have waited. And then we should have waited for that pullback. That we should. This wasn't a normal entry point. We miss out on account management. We should have waited for a breakout above the resistance and a pullback for entry. So this is a pullback. Let's get the confirmation. We will buy and hold on to the trade up to this point. Let's get that. Let's let this first one first confirm. Then we take the buys. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm going to buy this life on my life account. Now that I have seen it, I'm going to buy this. That's why I always use my demo account for my live stream. It saves my capital. I always wait for all these strong pullback bearish confirmations before I take on my trade. So is that a confirmation? Do you have a confirmation? Has it closed? Not yet. Oh, blowing up account can be very stressful. We can recover, bro. It's not yet done. Okay, sir, are we using Binance? No, Xness. Broker. Broker is Xness. But boom, next week, let's prepare. Next week on Monday, I think the war, but dollar buying is okay because of the Iran war. The US is having control over dollar, so the dollar is still going to be strong. So let's see. Should we wait? Should we wait to reach 9, then buy? Should we take on our trade now? It's like 45 minutes to 9 for the New York time to open. I see. I see. But I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy, brother. I'm going to buy one lot, 2 on 8, 3, 4, 5. I don't do more than 5 for that account. Okay. I'm just going to buy. At least we have our strong pullback. I'm going to buy. It's just testing the market. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. Let me see how much money. Now this is the point of how much money do I want to make. I'm buying it on my real account, brother. I'm buying it on my real account on my phone. And I'm done buying. I'm going to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've made 10 buys. If I blow, I blow. But I'm not blowing, guys. I'm going to take the biggest because I know it's going to come up to here. If I hold on this trade up to here, I would have made so much money. But I'll close my mine from here. If I make so much money, I'm going to close. I've made 10 buys. My lot size is 0.2, the one I'm using on my real account. But next time I will find a way how to share with you my real account on the phone. But I will put on this account, on the XNES account. Okay. Are we using scalping? Boom. Okay. Let me tap XNES. I'm here stressing in Binance. No. Do XNES. Do XNES. Broker. We'll also do HFM broker. I think some of you guys like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. How much money should we make? 500? 300? Scalping. How much money do you want to take? 400? You see, the good thing with scalping is that you could take on this trade and you could take on this trade. I'm doing this trade on my life account. So whatever money that I'm going to take from here, as soon as I close here in scalping, I also close on my real account. And that is it. Because even it's coming to 9, I'm not very certain. We might have I'm not going to do swing. I'm not going to hold on this trade for long. I'm closing. I've closed at $800 here. And I'm closing here. Guys, that is it. I'm done. How much money have I made? Eh, Apart from blowing up an account, we have grown this account. We could even grow this account further, but I've told you, guys, I've blown account today, so I am now scared. Given the fact that, okay, let me tell you why I close. You see, the week came up to above here. That's the reason why I closed. This week came up to above this week. We could grow this to 2000. Anyway, we started this account right now in our live stream. Boom can tell. We started it with $1,000. Now it's 1,545. And I have told you, like, me, I've made money here. I've already made money on my account here. I've made so much money. I've made money here, man. I've made $828. So I'm good. I'm good. I'll watch the market for you. I buy again. Okay. Boom. Said I buy again. One, two. I don't have any problem if you say I buy again. Boom. I have made my money now. I don't know. On my real account, my account is a little bit smaller. Um I'm using a lot size of oh good. We take it 2000. Cool. Boom, 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 I'm going to buy. That was so close. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay. Was going to go to 2000. But I'll wait. Guys, we can take this account to 2000. Trust me. We can take this account 2000 USD. Ah, man, I'm not buying. I bought here. I didn't buy it on my real account. Let's wait. Uh, You're even blowing up what you have made. No, I'm using 0.02 on my real account. On my real account, I'm using it. The one I'm using on the phone is 0.02. But I think I'm done today. I got 800. What else? Discipline matters. Let me stop chasing. Let me stop chasing the chart. But we're just going to hold on this trade. Let's hold on. Let's do swing. Hold on this trade and reach 2000 and close at 2000. We have 8 open positions here. You see, open. We have open 8 positions here. And we are using a very big lot size. And anytime it goes in a bearish, we can blow up that account. But Boom said that we buy. I decided to buy. I'm trusting. I'm going to make my own analysis for blowing also this account. Let me run this in my script, in my code, and I see. There's a lot of resistance. And things are not looking good for us. So I think with $1,000, man, you do swing. I think holding on the trade, this account is going. it's a very strong. So the bigger the lot size, you make more money. Since it's coming to 9, and the New York Times, so I would tell you one thing that we have a lot of multiple buying and we are floating above 500 and our balance is not looking good. And we even don't have any stop loss set. So we are doing it in a 5-minute trade. We have set ourselves to high exposure risk. Anytime we might blow up an account. So our position in our main account, and we are using a lot size, is quite big. So what I can tell you, we are not going to do swing. The safer way, let's have to reduce the lot size, or as soon as we make that's why I always tell people, as soon as we get our money back above, let's pray that here it closes up, we close it, whether we have reached, if it closes up, yes, I've seen there's a little bit of resistance here. We pray it first goes, I want to go down a bit. But if I confirm some profit here, I'll close this account. I'll close this trade. Because we have set ourselves too much to that exposure of blowing up an account. Yeah. Or we could top up some money so that we could go. But my professional view on this is that it's basically on a bearish side and we're not safe at all. So we are just doing a recovery. Let's do a recovery. We agree, team. We do a recovery, recover the money, close that trade, and set up a small trade when the New York market opens and let it roll. Remember, we had a strong bearish here, and there's no way it is going to continue going down. So as the buyers are pushing it, it will still go up. We are expecting this to go up. If the only risk we have is that we have opened too much trade. We have so many open positions here. So let's just do a recovery and close up that trade. That is it. Let's just wait for this. I wish this becomes our recovery. That is it. Let's do a recovery, close that hell out. Otherwise, hey, this would be the second time blowing an account in a row on a live stream with my students, which is not my thing. But always I tell people, I've made money. I'm not going to play on my real account. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Just go and take my withdrawals. I go and bank my money. That is it. I can't play around with you here for long. Let's just do a recovery. That is it. Nothing else. Boom. But hold it on. It will go up, bro. Don't close. Okay. Boom. This is you. Today you are the mentor. Boom is the mentor today. I'm losing my emotions today. Boom is helping me to control my emotion. Okay. Let me control my emotion. But next week, boom, we are going to take only, we will have only like 1 or 2 open position. Huh? Let's hold on the trade. Ah, there's a lot of resistance here. There's a lot of resistance there. Okay. We are hitting 2K. Guys, we're going to hit. We are closing at 2K. Boom, are we closing at 2K? Oh, we are in recovery. Boom, are we closing at 2K? Ah, I think I don't know why I closed. Uh, Here is why I closed. Um, uh, we had a lot of exposure. We had a lot of risk exposure. We had a lot of risk exposure. So I just needed to boom, liquidity resists financial stability and role of the Federal Reserve. That's true. Okay, guys, what I was seeing is that we had a lot of exposure. So I thought it would be much more better we close at that. We would have even closed above that, but we had a lot of exposure, too much exposure. Too much exposure. I see we have made some profits here. Eh? It's not too good, but we had some. You see, it was even still dropping, but we will hit. We'll hit 1,000. And also, please be sure to subscribe. Yeah, boom. Maybe we sell. Ah, no, no, no. We are not selling now. We are not selling now. It's risky. What we are going to do, I'm just going to give you guys my honest opinion here. We are going to reach 2K. Boom. We'll reach 2K when the US market opens. From 9:30 up to, we should be able to reach. We will reach 2,000 when US market opens. We'll reach 2,000 when the US market opens. Guys, like the video. Just drop a like to the video. Drop a like so that I can be able to support everyone in the long run. The academy should be able to support people. Drop a like. So we have our academy here. The courses we have been doing today are basically the Forex fundamentals. Basically, we are trading here, doing just basic technical analysis. And also, Boom has also been able to join. Boom is joining us from South Africa. That's one cool thing with Boom. Yeah, and oh, we have the platform. I don't know. Yeah, but for this platform, I'm still developing it. It shows the courses I've enrolled in. These are the notifications you get, all courses. And also one thing, yeah, for those joining the academy, thank you for joining the academy. Yeah. Yeah, those joining the academy, thank you for joining the academy. This would be cool enough for us. I don't know. Yeah. Guys, let's hit the 2K. There's something here I'm thinking how to do it. Yeah. So you can be able to enroll. For now, the free courses, I'll work on the free course. I need to work on these modules. But give me a week. I think by next week, we'll do it. I'll try to flip $50 to 1,000 on my real account on XNES. And I pray I don't get a busy week. I don't know whether I should do it when I'm in Rwanda. I don't know. But let's give it 40 minutes. The market's not going to look any better now. Yeah. Let's wait to buy. We'll buy when the US market opens. So for now, we can't do anything like with buying. We'll buy when the US market opens. And it's even here. It's opening at 9 a.m. Monitor the trade for 10 minutes. Yeah. But as also this is happening, this can help us to look at it. There's that zone that it will always respect. So it came here like twice. I can tell you it came down once, it's coming twice. So there's going to be we can buy from going up somewhere. Hopefully, yeah. Let's monitor that zone. Let's monitor that zone before we do a buy. Okay, guys, let's monitor that a bit. Let's wait for the US market to open, then take a buy. Are we all agreeing? Let's wait. Okay, guys, so we're going to analyze the market. Let's first look at this carefully before we do more harm to us. Okay, guys, like the video. Let's wait for the US market to open before we do another thing. But I think it's important I made it so that we start trading at around 5 so that we monitor the market. And once we monitor the market, we would know when to buy. We had a lot of exposure with this too much buys. Yeah, not so bad. At least there's one we made a loss here, but that account still looking good. Yeah, icon is still looking good. We made so much. Yeah, made so much more money. Yeah, you can look at our equity is 1,600. Our free margin is that. But we're going to trade on a small account, so we'll see. Okay. I think one of the reasons that makes me come here every single day is people who come here to learn and do live trade. Actually, it's good take live trade and have the support of the entire team here. So that we deal with emotions. And Boom was right. If you say that we sell, that would be right. It has reached this. It might even come down here. I think we could sell. If you want to reach our 2K faster, we could sell, but still testing. Do we need a confirmation? How many minutes remaining? Can we make something here? Yeah, we can recover, bro. It's done. Oh. But we are not going to hold on this trade for long. We'll close it much more earlier. I'll tell you why we are not going to hold on that trade for long. You're not going to hold on that trade for long. Reason being, uh, anytime the market is going to go into a bullish direction. So let's get what we can get and close it. Anytime would have been nice if we sell. Yeah. If I'd taken your advice earlier, that would have been a very nice thing. But I didn't take it. It's kind of like funny, but let's wait. It would have been nice if because right now we are just in that fear. Let's wait a bit, and it would have been nice if we sell, but really it's coming. Yeah. Let's wait and see. Now, if it closes there, it's a reversal. If it closes there, it's going to be, you see that hammer, this candlestick, if it closes here, it's going to be a very strong reversal. Uh, look, close it. I'll close it now. Let's recover a bit. That's a hammer, that's a reversal. I've closed it. Let's wait for that indicator. So we will have to sell. But with smaller lot size. You can still make that money back. But in real trading is that, look at these losses. My emotions are too high right now. Is there anyone having a high emotion like me? Huh? My emotions are too high right now. I think it's important we don't take trade now. Let's wait for 9. We do the analysis from 9. It's important we don't take the trade now. Let's wait for 9 and then we get that zone. Otherwise, oh, difficult. I don't know whether it will at some point come down. I don't know whether it's at some point going to come down. Ooh. Let's see. I'm not good. I think maybe I might take only one trade, but it's important you take 1 or 2 trades in a day. Take 1 or 2 trades in the, let's not take so many. Over trading is not good. Let's avoid over trading. I don't know how long this can go, but let's keep it. We'll make that 2K, guys. We'll make that 2K. Let's just keep waiting slowly. Ah, let's avoid over trading, guys. One thing that I noticed, yeah, downwards or what's happening? Yeah, it's kind of like okay. I can explain a bit. From what I can tell is that the sellers are trying to push the market to go down. So, but once we we need to first, let's try to first delete some of the things and then we'll start again. At least this was okay. From here, this was okay. Okay, this is okay. Let's use these blue lines. If it is going in that direction, then it will respect. It came here once and it went up. Now it's coming here twice. It will go back. So there's that point where the market will respect. So that zone where the market will respect. But we need to draw it, I think, around here, just to be a little bit on the safer side. Before we take on our trade, we will put it here. Yeah. So let's wait for that confirmation. If it goes above, that's okay. But it's not yet time. And of course, still have 4 minutes. These 4 minutes are dangerous. 3 minutes. The market is about to open. It can take any direction. Always when the buy now. Can we wait for the confirmation? Let's wait for the confirmation. Let's wait for the confirmation, guys. That's why I always tell people who do trade that it's very, very difficult at some points to master or cram the candlesticks. Cramming the candlesticks might be the worst option. Can we? So if you're buying, uh, we could take our profit around here. Okay. We could take our profit in these pips, these points of value. If it reaches from here up to here, we can take our profit using that pip, that point of value. I don't know. That could be the best options for us. Take our profit in that. I don't know how many pips are those ones, but we will calculate it. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. We've been here quite for some time, but I hope it's going to pay off. I hope it's going to pay off. So let's wait a bit. Wait for the confirmation. I see it's beginning. Even the second one is okay. But let's also watch our time. 1 minute to go. So I'm hoping that the New York time is opening in about 1 minute. So it's So guys, that's why I always tell you, let's trade at 5. From 5, if you don't hit our $1,000, we shall take whatever money we pick today. Okay. Remember, we are down by around $600. Guys, like the video, give it a likes, and also let's get subscriptions. Guys, subscribe. For those who are just joining us, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Okay. In 7, 8, 9, yeah. This is always the time. The New York time is 9:00. It is the best time for you to look at your chart. The first 15 minutes, do not take trade. I'm going to take trade on my live account. Boom. Boom. Do you still have money on your account? Do you have money on real account? Boom. Do you have money on real account? We are back to the chart. So it's 9. So it's a buy. 1, 2. Let me take it faster. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I need about 8. I have about 8 open positions. So, okay, they're all running. Yeah, let's go. What's the target here? How many pips, points? Remember, we're doing a recovery. Okay, we're doing a recovery. So we need first to close above to 1. We were 2 down. Okay, we are going to go 1. We were 2 down. So we're now going to buy well. I did that because we were less. So we are now going to do the buy right now because we are sure the market's going up. Okay, now let's wait to confirm buys. Okay, I can confirm now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. I'm not doing any other buys. It's already 8 buys. Okay. No, it's going to go up. No worries. It's going up. No worries. Oh. Now I'm going to explain. I told you like the first 15 minutes is quite dangerous. I just wanted to first bring back the account to some level. Let me just wait for the account to go up to some level. First 15 minutes is quite dangerous. Okay. 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 All right. One, I needed to first structure my account because um I'm not going to take on a bigger risk, bigger lot size. So I'm going to wait. The first 15 minutes is dangerous. Okay. This is 4 minutes. So uh I'm going to take trade on my real account. So I'm going to be keen with you guys. Okay. I'm taking trade on my real account. I'm going to be keen with you. So allow me, the first 15 minutes is going to be analysis. I'm not going to rush anything here. Let me just study that next candlestick. It's going to be an upward trend. So here. Okay. Okay. Let me just do a quick one. 2, 3. I'll do only 5 buys. Five. That is it. I'm doing 5 buys only. And I'm going to, please, just understand me. Understand me. If I'm doing it on my real account as well. So I'm going to be a little bit keen here. My emotions are high, but I've taken this trade on my real account as well. So I'm going to use, I'm not doing do swing. I'm going to use scalping. So um, let's see. I'll share with you my trade. I'm recording my trade here. I'm recording my trade here. So I'll post this in the shorts. I'll post this in the shorts. It's not looking good here yet. I think I took the trade when it was not looking good here. With emotions, guys, drop us some emoji. I'm doing live trade here, brothers. Drop me some like emojis here. Uh, Help me steer up my emotions. Show love here. Guys, show some love here. It's kind of like real emotions here, mixed feelings. Okay, guys, let's go. Ah, yeah. That's great. That's great. Now I'm closing here as well. Yeah, I made my profit here. I will tell you, I made $200 here. I'll post this in the chat. You will see. On my real account, I made 200. Yes. Let's go. It's 2K. Okay. I'll wait to buy. I might be stubborn. We've done 9 minutes. Okay. Quite risky. I've made money, guys. I've made money on my real account. No lie, I no go lie to you. I made my money. I made my money here. Yeah. I made my money here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's be on the chart, man. Let's look at the chart. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, we go. Still. Yeah. It's going up. Let's watch it a bit. There's that point that the market will respect, so let's watch it a bit. Let's watch it a bit and see. There is that point that the market will respect. So we are hitting the market. Okay, so let's watch and see. It would be good. Should we hold on? I'm sure if we can we hold on for the next? Can we buy and hold on, or we leave it there? Team, can we buy? Boom, can we buy and hold it on up to these pips? Let's go. It's 2000 today. Can we hold on, or we just take that profit and leave? Okay. I hope those who are just joining knows what you're doing. We're doing Forex trading, and we're trading gold versus dollar. Gold is very volatile. So let's see. Let's see. We might make money by selling. We're not so sure. We could wait. I think I need to get that. If I get one more confirmation, then go up, then I'll be very certain. But I don't want to risk my money now. For my normal trading, I think I'm good. Over trading is not good. Let's avoid over trading. Yes. Okay. Josh, are you able to install? Are you able to log into XNES? Yeah, the same way you're looking at the chart is the same way you can. For those who are using the phone, please download MT5. Download MT5. I think I'll try to maybe create another account. How to do that later. Guys, the first 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes quite dangerous, but let's look. Yes, let's do the live trade here, guys. You can try to look at all the trade that we did today. What is giving me this strong feeling is that from when the market opens, we had this big, those who traded yesterday felt the pain. It was coming. This strong bearish is now turning out to be, uh, I see from this, those who bought here could have, we blew account some point here, but we're taking the upward trends now. So I think it's a bearish. Do you take that confirmation, sell to reach our 1,000 or wait? We close with so much profits. Can see green means we made some profits. Yes, I've logged in. I'm trying to use a demo. Yeah, use demo. Use demo for learning. And please first learn for 4 weeks before taking on real trade. Okay, if you're new here, if you're learning, please first learn for 4 weeks before taking on new trade. Oh, $9.15. It's within that range. I told you the first 15 minutes can go up, the next 15 minutes can go down. We can sell. Can sell and make money. But let it first come back and then we sell from here. Let's sell from around here. Okay. Let's first wait for this pullback. Then take on the sell. But please learn. If I'm going to buy, I'll wait for it to do this. I'll wait for it to come down. Then go up. Yeah. That's what I will do. But for selling it would work. But I can't sell at this point. I have to wait for it to be around here. If I was able to sell around here, I would have made much more money. And it's a strong pullback. This is what we call pullback reversal. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so please learn. Take it easy here. You will learn. You learn to trade. Subscribe. Like the video. Just drop a like. Like the video. Let's see how to make this to Okay. Let's wait for this pullback to happen and we see which direction it's taking. It's a difficult trade, but we'll use a smaller lot size. We'll use a smaller lot size. Okay, we'll use a smaller lot size, guys. I'm not going to sell now. I'm not going to sell. Probably buy. I'll wait and see. Right now, my position is standing at 1,000. Okay. So it came here. Let's use this position here. Yeah, wait. Wait before you buy. Wait before you buy. So let's wait a bit. We're going to buy. Let's check. 21. I think you better from 9:30. 9:30 is going to be a buy. 9:30. 9:30 to 10. It's going to be a buy. 9:30 to 10. We're using a 5 minutes time frame. If you're using a 10 minutes time frame, that would be okay. But let's wait. We're waiting for a confirmation. There's already a pullback. Let's wait. Okay. It's going to be a reversal very soon. We made it. We made some profits. Okay, I'm posting it on my shorts to see what we made today. We made it. Let's wait for that. So trading requires a lot of patience and discipline. Why? Because you can't tell which direction it's going to take right now until you wait for a clear confirmation. And our goal is to flip that to 2000 USD. Okay, let's wait and see. I see buy. Okay, yeah, wait for the candlestick for the wick to turn in our direction. We can't buy right now. We can't buy. Buy is coming, but first wait, look. Yeah, buy is here. We buy, right? Let's check the time. 9:25. Okay. We buy, we buy, we buy, we buy, we buy, we buy, we buy. Okay. Okay. I'm not going to use maybe a bigger lot size, but I didn't even see like the confirmation, but I was it a profit? Did we close a profit? Some losses? Hold on, hold on. I wasn't so sure about that buy. Made a loss a little bit. Let's wait for the second one. It's quite risky, man. Okay. Yes. Be sure to like the video, like the video. This is cool, but I just can't do that. I don't want to have this. We're going to a buy, but you see that pullback would have been bad. You see, imagine the wick is here and you buy, then it comes down. That I don't want that. Honestly, I don't want that. I want to be sure that it's going up. Yeah, I've posted. I made $1,000 today, guys. I don't lie to you. I ain't lie to you. I made $1,000 today. Let's wait for the confirmation. I ain't lie to you. Let's just wait for the confirmation. I ain't lie to you. I'm gonna wait for a confirmation. It's okay. The good thing it has closed. It has closed below our support zone. So yeah, in the next 2 minutes, we're doing a 5 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes mean from 9:25 to 9:30. 9:30, then that it's going to go up, man. And please keep a record of each and every time you trade. Okay? Like what time do I enter the market? What time do I buy? What am I? You need to have a clear entry rules. I've talked about this over and over. Don't have any open position here, but we're about to open our market today. Yeah. This is kind of down, man. We'll see. See whether we'll have a buy. But we are buying. We are buying. So this stream will end at exactly I think we'll end it at 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 we ended at 10. We'll end the stream at 10. Yeah. I haven't had lunch. So I'll do the stream. Yeah. Guys, let's go by. It's 9:30. Let's go by. Are you sure? Let's look at it. We're doing a 5 minutes time frame. So which direction? It has come, go up. It's still going up or it's going down? I don't know. Let's confirm the real market. I know gold is still strong. Oh, gold is strong. Okay, it's going up, brother. It's a buy. 1236. Because of the war, dollar is going to gain. Trust me. Okay. Let's wait for it to give us that reversion. Then yeah. Anyway, it's gonna buy. Yes, thank you for joining. We are trading live. Like the video for those who have just joined. If you haven't, let's go. What's this pool for? I'm gonna wait. Is this a bearish? Is this going to be a bearish? We need to study this. This is going to be now a bearish. Okay, I'll put this here. If this drops up to here, that was the lowest point that blew most accounts today. Let's wait. If this drops, if this comes up to here, I think I would see the trend. Oh, it's trending, man. How will you know if it rises? The green. Yeah, we look at candlestick closing above support or resistance. So Lee is saying that how will we know if it will rise? We have these previous candlesticks. These are candlesticks. The green and red are candlesticks. So what we're doing, basically, the green you buy, the red you sell. So for us to make money is that you make money when it's going in your favor. If it goes against you, you lose money. So right now here, we are hoping that in our first, this is already 9, we are using a 5 minutes time frame from 30 to 35. It's here, our minutes here, we are using a 5 minutes uh, time frame. So, and then also we're trying to do swing. Swing means we trade for a shorter period of time and take our profit. So if you look here, we have been closing with some profits here. A little bit of loss here because I was not very comfortable by the time I entered the trade. So I entered and decided to close. So we don't have no open position. We're going to open our positions. Our lot size is 8, but you know how to calculate this lot size. And then there's also what we call points in values, PIP. The downer part is our support. the upper part is our resistance. But there's that point where the market will always respect it. If it is going up, it will continue going up. So these are the points when we will know that it will go up. So will there is there a specific candlestick to look at? I think yes. Yes, but I don't want to go back to that part. Let me try to come back here a bit. Downloads. So these are the different types of candlesticks, okay? I don't know if you are able to see this. We talked about types of candlesticks here, okay, Lee? So you look for this, but there are several candlesticks. Me personally, I don't trade using the candlesticks. I look at, because if I'm to cram all this candlestick like the hanging man, if the bearish, it goes down. Red goes, red you sell, green you buy. Then there's this candlestick here. This high open, it opens here, it closes here. So, and with a low wick, this tall thing is called a wick. Okay. So there's what we call different kind of candlestick. We have what we call hammer, inverted hammer, all those things. And then this longer thing here is called a wick. You see it's here, wick. So there are several candlesticks, bearish engulfing. So you need to look at this bearish now to identify which direction it's going to take. So when you come to our trade here, you look at it. Or sometimes you need to look at something called the fair value gap for you to know where the market will go. But these are the different types of candlesticks that you can look at. Okay. Uh, yeah. But you'll get to understand this if you're a beginner. If you're a beginner, it's good to take on our courses. It's not yet going in our direction. We would wait unless maybe if we sell. Let me look at the time frame. Enter there. That's like for a few minutes. You see the money is already here made. So I prefer, if you're a beginner, I prefer you check out these free courses. First, understand introductions to Forex market, how to read candlesticks. Okay. If you're a beginner, it's important you learn this, how to read candlesticks. You need a separate class for that. But right now we are doing the basic technical analysis. Right now, this is what we are doing because we are doing a live trade. Live trade is difficult. Live trade, we're taking on a live trade. So I prefer, if you're a beginner, just watch how we do live trade. Yeah, but keep asking questions. Keep asking questions. So we were okay. Now this is a strong one. It has closed, I think, around here. We can check this out. We draw a line from here up to here. So if you look at here, it was able to go up to that point. So we know that we're doing some analysis. Let's just come up to here. Okay. So we will say that we have so many lines, but always I tell people when we have a lot of lines, we delete some of them and we work with the new ones. Okay. So it's time to buy. It's time to buy. Okay. It's time to buy. It's time to buy. Now we are buying. We are having open positions here. We are buying. Okay. Now when we are buying here, you see here our money starts going up. And we are going to use what we call scalping. Now we are making losses. We are making losses. Okay. And I don't want us to make that. Right now we're making losses. So if we close now, who would have made losses? Okay. You've made losses of 120. You see, even our money is reducing. We've made losses. We've made losses. Okay. But if this goes up, then we will make profit. Okay. Yeah. So I'm hoping that it's going to go up, but we have that. Yeah, we're hoping that it's going to go up. I can delete this. But we are targeting that if it goes up, it will come up to, let's say, up to here. So this is our point in value. This is our PIP. Maybe like 40% or how many percentage, that would be our point in value. Okay. Yeah. But if it goes down, we continue losing money. Okay. If it goes down, we continue losing money. But we are hoping that from here, the wick can come and then goes up, the upward direction. But if it continues down, we are cooked. And we can actually blow an account. See, you have lost $600 plus. Yeah? You have lost $600 plus. So that's the challenge with trading. Okay. And if you're not careful, if your money comes from this money to zero, you'd have blown up that account. Okay. You would have blown up that account. And from the way I see, now you see we have lost almost like $1,000, and it is dangerous. Now, and by the way, we can actually blow that account. Remember, at some point here it came up to here. Then it starts going up. Let's be careful. We are actually, this account is almost gone. We just have to wait for a reversal. If it comes below this, then that account is gone. But remember, this is where our stop loss is, here. Because in the previous chart, when you are doing the analysis, is that it came down up to here. That's why people call it Forex as a scam, because if you don't analyze it well, it would really blow up your account. Okay, so here. Now an account we had in at almost $1,000 plus. One single trade is pulling it. We've lost almost $1,000 here. Okay. But let's be lucky that doesn't come below this. Because if it goes below this and our money is not there, we've blown the account. Trust me, who would have blown that account? And not far from now, we would be gone. But right now, we can't, I can tell you, we cannot close it. You cannot close this. If you close it, it's very difficult to recover that money. You allow it roll. That's why most people fund an account they're ready to lose. You fund what you're ready to lose. If you're not ready to lose, you don't fund that account. That account is going. Probably, let's show you how accounts are being blown. It has touched down there. But I know it's going to have a very strong reversal from this. So now this is going to play. It's telling an insufficient fund in your account. Top up to avoid closer. Okay. Let's just top up here because very soon we are going to be like in a deep shit. So that's how you save your account. You top up. Now you see it has gone. If you had not topped up, would have lost up all that money. Okay. That's why the first 30 minutes from 9 um from 9 from 9 actually these hours are very dangerous. This 9 944 to 930 to 940. It's very, very dangerous. Okay. But I always tell people that's the challenge with over trading. Here we are trying to look at all the candlesticks. But let's wait. Let's wait. But if now that it has closed above here, if it goes down one more time, yeah, we are cooked. We are cooked. We are cooked. So you need to have money that you are ready to keep topping up. Okay. And look, that's why people say, and now that it has gone up this, I don't know, it must be very, very difficult. This one, there's no any history that we are dealing with. It's just going against us. It's going against us. It's just going against us. But anyway, for learning purposes, it's cool. It's really, really cool. So probably at this point now, since it has come up to here, it's supposed to respect the market and start now going upwards. Let's respect the market and start going upward. This is a very big loss. $2,000. You don't have that money. Discipline, account management, and protect your capital. Protect your capital. If you're seeing all these things happening, would have done a reversal immediately. We close, take the small loss, just like what we did, and let it play. But I hope now this will go in our direction. And there's nothing we can do right now. Just have to wait for it to go in there. I'm not taking that trade. Okay. But on small accounts, I will show you. The whole of next week, we are going to run a live account. Live account means real accounts, a funded account. We're going to be running on a real funded accounts. But it's very difficult. We could make serious losses. Guys, subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's hit 40K. Subscribe. Subscribe. Let's hit 40K. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Let's hit 40K. Thank you. Let's hit 40K. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, drop a comment. Let's check. Let's check if this plays in our favor. The first, you see, this first 1 hour is rough. From 9 to 9 to 10. This is always rough. In the next 10 minutes, it's going to play. Now, this could be a reversion. This could be a reversion now. That could be a very good reversal for us. But for now, it's quite dangerous. That could be very, very dangerous. This is a bearish. This downward movement is a bearish. Mm. We have blown up account now. But of course, this one we were seeing it was just against us. Now, if you don't have, just top up, and then now we just sell just for demo. The lot size matters. So we watch our account. But me, I don't do that. Me, I'm done taking my trades. I took my profits earlier. So that's why people keep saying it's a lot. Our lot size is big. Still, we are selling it against us. That's why I always tell people that swing trading is difficult. Swing trading is a little bit difficult. I just want to tell you one thing. Swing trading is difficult. For you to make some profit, it's very, very, very difficult. All right, so guys, that's it for today. We might not hit the 2000. Uh should should we need to know something here. We do always scalping, always on small account. Scalping on small account. Swing on big account. So it's difficult, very, very difficult. Look, right from when the market opened a little bit, right from here, bearish, bearish, bearish. It has always been bearish, bearish. So blowing up your capital means you don't have any money to trade, guys. So that's why people will say it's a scam, it's what. But anyway, always, always, it's going to come. If you be patient from around maybe like 9:30, maybe it will change. Okay, maybe something will change from that point. I don't want to open anything right now. Maybe from 9 it will change, but small account, very risky. So you need to do this trade always and always. When you're trading on your phone, you need to always understand. Now we're going to have that sale. Well, now if this is a hammer, if we get this, if we get this hammer, it's identical in shape to a hanging man, but different in this. If you see it like it having a high and a close with a low wick, it's going to be a bullish. It's going to be a bullish, means taking the upward direction. That one we can buy. So let's wait and see if this would be a bullish. And we can buy. So you need to be very keen always. we will see. Yeah, that is it. That's a confirmation that I wanted. Here now, I can't tell you. You can have open positions like many, and we will reach that $1,000 faster. These are 3, 4, 5, even 8. But you don't trade on this for long. Don't trade on it for long. We have if it goes 1,000, those are 8. You make that money, you just close. Five, 6, 56 to 10. Now look at the money you're making now. Buying at the right time because of this candlestick. Now this candlestick just closed below here. Now here, trust me, here's going to be a bearish. Let me even take the trade. Let me take this trade on my real account. Let me take this trade on my real account. All right, so guys, if you have money on your real account, yeah, you could take you can take. That's going to be it's going to be, yeah, you see we have crossed the $2,000 here. And if your goal was to make $1,000, eh, I'm making so much more money here. If your goal was to make that, you would make that. If your goal was to make $1,000, you would make, and you close it. But now we saw the opportunity, it came. Now we have to wait for this to go up to that. But anyway, the next 5 minutes, that's what's going to happen. You have to wait. 1 more minute to go. So that 1 minute is the one that decides whether you're making profit or you're, but we make profit. No worries. I'm trading on my life account. Anyone who buys now, you make profit. And if you have a small account, please just make sure that we're holding on. What? Now, what's that again? What is that again? What is that again? Don't blow up this account. Ah, what is that again? it's really disturbing me here emotionally. Guys, wait. But there's a strategy I always tell people that we could have pushed this account in 7,000, but you have to hold on. What's the time now? It's 10. Let's give it 5 minutes. Let's go to 10:50. 10. Yeah, let's get that confirmation and keep moving on. Came up to here. This was so cool. Yeah. You'd have 5 minutes. Should be an upward trend. So if you see it, if you see the first green, don't buy yet. Wait for the second green, and that's when you buy. But because of this strong armor, it, it should show us that it's going up. Yeah. My account standing is not looking good here. I can't tell you. I can't tell you. If I hit 2000 plus, that is it. I need to stop trading and focus on other things now. Okay, my account is now in green here. It's now going up. Hmm. Should we hold on the trade? Hmm. Should we hold on the trade? This is not so bad in terms of profits. Oh, I don't know. All right. I think I also have to close here. Yeah, I've closed here. So I'm going to wait for it to come back in the next 5 minutes. I have here like 2000 right now. So um I'm going to wait for the I'm going to wait for the second one, then I will take on my trade. But it's coming. A good opportunity to make money is coming here now. So I'll take on my trade when it's going up. So at least now my account is having a good standing. $2,000. Okay. Can even come here and double check. You have $2,000. But after making several mistakes, you're now making this account at $2,000. But it can show you how much we have also made here. That's why I closed it. I closed this. If I didn't close it, I would be in shit, man. And I'm first going to study that candlestick. We were so lucky that we closed it when we are still in profits. Now I'll wait for a good confirmation. Okay. I'm going to check the time, 5 minutes. I'll wait and see what will happen here. That's a buy. That's a buy. Check here. Closes here. Down and close from down. That's a bullish, man. You can't cram all that, but yeah. I'll enter the market after the first green. I'm not going to enter right now. I'll enter the market after the first. I'll enter the buy after that first green. This has been very rough. I'll enter the market after that green. That I'm not going to be tempted now. I'll enter the market after that. And if I enter the market, I'll aim at that. Probably we eat like I don't want now that. Yeah, let's fast trade, man. Trade. We've done this trade almost for 2-3 hours. Guys, like the video, give it a like. Okay, so let's see. This should be your last trade if you're going to do a buy. Oh, that bearish was quite bad for us. And please take note of this lot size. If you do a smaller lot size, you don't make that much more money. Yeah. Smaller lot size, small risks, small. You don't make that money. But if I'm doing a real account, I'll do a small risk. Okay. But 0.8 is good enough. Make us have a good standing. I'm going to take trade after the first. After 10:10, I will take trade for 5 minutes. I'll close that. I'll take trade for 5 minutes, and that is it. I'm not going to wait for long because the market has been crazy. The market, the entry has been crazy. The market has been crazy. Okay, let's watch and back to the chart. Okay, let's buy. Confirm buy. Confirm buy. Confirm buy. I don't know how many buys I will make. I'll also buy on my real account. I don't know. Those are 4 buys. I'll trade for 5 minutes, guys. Let me do 8 because I have some good money there. Okay. Okay. I actually normally start with my demo account, then start playing in my favor, then I hit on my, yeah, I'm yet waiting to buy. It's crazy. It's crazy here. He has to cross all above that. That's the last trade I'm taking. This trade between 10 to 10:15. It's the last trade I'm taking, guys. Okay, we're going to do that last trade, man. Over trading is dangerous, but this bearish has been too strong. Very strong. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. How is the pressure, guys? I said a buy, but I bought on my real account here. Things are not looking good. Things are not looking good. Control your emotions. I think this is crazy. think this is crazy. This is crazy. Ooh, what are we seeing here? Really? What are we seeing here? Really, really, really? Really? Guys, that is it.